Hi, I'm Amit from Nimble Foundation. Today I'm going to make another presentation on phrasal verbs. In presentation number 9, we are going to cover the following phrasal verbs. Give something away, give something out, give up something. Now let us look at each phrasal verb individually in greater detail. As we have already seen, the best way to understand phrasal verbs is by looking at examples. So here are the examples of using the phrasal verb give something away. I had about 1500 books. You won't believe that I had to give these away due to recession. The computer monitor was still working, but we had to give it away as it was too big and old. Some friends did not come for a movie. We had to give away their ticket. Some of the books out of this collection were given away to interested people. Now let us look at the second phrasal verb, give something out. Examples of this phrasal verb are: the company employed a few college students. They were standing at the local station and giving out leaflets. The paper was given out to students and they had 1 hour to do the test. The union president had prepared the handout. He gave out the same to those who attended. The governor of the state was invited to give out the awards. Now let us move on to another phrasal verb, give up something. The chain snatcher was chased by the mob until he gave up and was caught. It is the difficult riddle. I give up. Please tell me the answer. He tried to fix the computer for about half an hour, but then he gave up. He tried running the race, but soon he gave up. We are going to do some more examples using the phrasal verb give up something. He has spoilt his liver due to heavy drinking. He must give up drinking. He was fond of eating butter frequently. He put on weight. Then he gave up eating bread and butter. No cold drinks for me. I have given up drinking cold drinks. You must try and give up the food that does not suit your health. Now I am going to be with you to cover another presentation on another subject of English. Until then, thanks for watching.